Alright, what's going on, you guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another video with your boy Abe Shaw. As you guys already know, it's Sunday, so it's only right once again every Sunday or every other Sunday, depending on obviously how the market is looking. Expect those free trade ideas from me. But before we actually get into this, shout out to everybody that's been plugging into the Signals chat. So if you are in the Signals chat room, if you've been following along on TikTok, you guys should already know. Officially last week we went 19-1 in the chat, and after on Friday, after Thursday to Friday, I had an idea. I had a feeling the reversals was coming. So technically, I should have called those trades, which would have put us at 23-1. But since I didn't call the reversals on US30 specifically, we just ended off 19-1. But the good news is, I think I'm gonna go another week of doing this again. So the original, say 2020 was the last time I did a post on my story or post on TikTok. Well, it wasn't TikTok. It was just on my Instagram story. I used to post every single time a trade smack TP. Every single time I called out a trade, showing the success, showing how consistent I've been in the Steelers chat, how consistent you can see your account grow within the chat, or just how consistent as you start to learn how to trade yourself, how you could grow on the markets. You feel me? And it's this week I did on the TikTok side. I'm like, bro, as soon as I finished one TikTok video, as soon as I finished recording one video, it was time for me to update the call. Update the TikTok again with a whole other video smacking TP. I'm like, bro, I don't know how to keep dropping all these videos back to back. I'm gonna just wait until either the end of the day or the next day when I'm like, bro, we was going crazy on the charts. And I didn't even update the currency side. The currency chat went about, I really want to say the currency went 5 or 6 on one. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop loss hit. Yep, I remember that. On goal. Stop loss hit on goal, but then we was able to catch it back. Actually, I might show y'all that today. The goal setup that we had took. But yeah, on the center shot, we went about 5 or 6 and 1 on that side, and then on the indices, as you guys already know, we went 19-1. And the reason why I'm doing it, like I said, I'm gonna do it again this week. I'm mad because I got a whole vlog, well, somewhat of a vlog that I didn't end up posting last week on YouTube, which is more so, last week was more so every single time we hit trade ATP, boom, I updated that on the TikTok side and on Instagram, right? So for this week, what I'm about to do is one, I'm gonna give y'all a trade idea for, we can go US30. I'm gonna give y'all a free setup for US30. So for my people that trade US30, this one's gonna be for y'all, right? Besides that, I think I'm also, what other pair do I want to give y'all a breakdown now? Well, not breakdown. This is gonna be US30. I'm gonna do US30 today. So US30 is gonna be for the analysis for today, and then I'm thinking, as we start to get more in the breakdown, that might be it for right now. So after the breakdown, I might have an analysis for you. I'm trying to think. Because depending on how I'm feeling, if I go, so my cousin watching this, if I go bowling later on, I might make a bowling vlog inside this video. But if not, it's probably just going to be a free market Sunday. And then the next video y'all see will probably be me at the bowling alley or whatever that looks like. But without further ado, enough of me rambling. Let me put my headphones on and let's get into it. Alright, what's going on, you guys? So as you can see, this is the US30 chart. When we come to 1 hour, this is the reverse I was telling you about. So we caught the sales, crazy sell opportunity. Market actually dropped 7,000 pips. And then if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know I was talking about it on Friday too. I'm like, bro, 7,000 pip day on the charts is crazy. Because even from that same buy setup, took it right back to the other side. I didn't capitalize off of this by myself, but like I said, it's crazy to see the markets was really moving for sheesh. And then this week we got a lot of volatility, a lot of news is getting ready to release. So I'm excited just in general to see how the market play out. But as we talk about where we are in the market, so clearly, like I said, so we had the sales that happened on Thursday, then the market came back, hit support, and to point out this area in particular, the reason why the market pushed to this price in particular, oh, why was this the area where it just bounced off of and started going for the buys? 37,274. Then you come to this 4 hour, then you come to this day chart. Look how this is that same key support level that started the buys back in January. Basically like the last main key support for the entire year. So since we got that full retest back to that price, one thing about US30, it loves its price actions, right? So sure enough, when it came back to this price, it hit it and immediately started rejecting. And that's why it wasn't no shocker that that reversal was coming off of this sweet spot, right? And then now as we're back at the resistance level, it's kind of like, okay, what is the next play? What are we looking for today on the charts? Overall, in this moment, it looked like we are in a downtrend, right? Look like we're in a downtrend. So until technically, I feel like my main, like let's say like long-term buys would be once it actually close above, really the main will have to be like 38,557. So the same way we saw big drop, pull back, big drop, pull back, big drops. It needs to do the same thing on the opposite side. So kind of like let's come to the right. Basically, what we saw at the beginning of the year, right? Where it was taking off, pull back, taking off, pull back, taking off. So as of right now, the only setup I'm gonna give you for today, um, and realistically, I guess for the week, what you're gonna look for is a sell that to at least this support level. So what I'm looking for now is kind of like where is our next? If it's going to be true by a true uptrend, start taking off of the bottoms again. Where is our next higher level structure going to be at? Is it going to be off of this support level? Is it going to be here? Is it going to potentially come back for the full retest? Right? We don't know. But in the meantime, as we're chilling at the top of resistance, it'll be obviously kind of like a no-brainer to give you at least the first one of the first setups I look for, which will be the sell at 38,036. And I think, what would I say? But y'all should be extremely grateful. I don't even, when I record these videos, I don't even drop these in the center shot yet. Center shot shall get y'all on special breakdown videos that I put on the chat every Sunday. Um, you guys just gotta make sure that you're actually utilizing it. Like the more people I see actually utilizing it, the more I actually keep making sure I'm dropping those consistently every Sunday. But for my people that's just on the YouTube side, if you're just on the YouTube community, this is kind of like y'all first breakdown. It's currently 8:50 as I'm recording it. So y'all are literally getting in like right when the market is starting to kind of open. All of the news, not news, but all of the pairs are actually open now. Germany 40 is finally open. So there's no like confusion or nothing. Right. So 360, that's TP1, TP2, TP3. So obviously, for those that are new here, the further away the TP is, the higher probability that you might face a pullback, right? The higher probability, the more trades are more like most likely to hit. It's always TP1. TP1 is kind of like we don't never guarantee that in trading, but that's the highest success record. Obviously, if you're following along, you know my success records on the charts. Obviously, we talked about it for this past week. We won 19-1 on almost really all of the indice pairs, but for US30 in particular, if I really go back and add it up, which I'm not about to do right now because that's gonna be too long, but for US30 in particular, like we didn't lose a single US30 trade. The only trade we lost last week was NAS 100, and technically, if you follow along on the TikTok page, you understand that technically, realistically, that wasn't even a loss because for that trade, called out a live trading call, as well as we actually held that position. But since I went based off of technicality of that was where I had to stop loss at, that is the reason why I left it there. So look, for the sales. So as you can see right now, probably by the time you're watching this video, who knows where the market is going to be at. So that's why I'm going to make sure I upload this as quickly as possible so that way y'all can actually capitalize off of this move. But so currently we're seeing the resistance as the market just push back down inside the zone. If it continues to hold and close by the time you're watching this video, go ahead and we would look to take this trade at least back down to the support level or really anywhere in this round where we feel or notice that the market starts to look for like the support for the week. So as of right now, we kind of got our resistance for the week. This is currently the highest point for Sunday as of right now. I'm gonna put some air quotes up right there. But now we have to find out where it's going to be our price floor. Where is the market going to bounce off of for a potential continuation for the buys? Because for all we know, this could be a clean sell setup right here. And actually, I need to actually, I'm gonna test in my chat. We already took this. This is the sell. Back inside the zone. Our entry was like down here. Yes, last week. So if this is the sell setup, if it continues to go back for that downtrend again, perfect. So make sure y'all pause this video, take a screenshot, mark up your chart to match it up. Now, if it doesn't, so I'm going to delete it right now. If it doesn't hold there and goes back down for the sales, but instead it finally decides to push to the uptrend, great. The next structure that it can come to is 38,340. This is the next level lower high on the chart. So that's going to be the next buy. Like if I'm taking buys on this, I'll look for the break of the zone, and then I'm looking to take profit at the top of the zone. And that's a cool 1,600 pips. That's my personal TP goal that I'm setting or that I'm looking forward to. But if I notice it starts to sell off, or just being more cautious and aware of the charts, like if I notice it's pulling back strong or ready to go for the downtrend, then best believe your boy's gonna get out that trade, right? But in the meantime of that, this is why we have more than one TP option. Because if you're new and you're like, bro, I don't need to catch 1,500 pips. All I want to catch, I want to win my first winning trade. I want to catch 360 pips. Cool. Just set your TP, the TP1, and let the trade rock out. If you're more experienced, if you understand what a pullback is, you understand how to move your trailing stop loss and profit, then feel free to go ahead and hold it for these next couple of like TPs that we have set. Right. Each different TP is an area. Let me rephrase it. So for my people that don't know what a TP is short term profit. The longer you hold a trade, yes, the more money you make. But the longer you hold a trade, the more risk that comes with that, because you never know when the pullback or when the actual reversal might happen on the charts, which is why we tell people do not let greed take over. Because if you let greed take over, you will lose more trades than you will win, right? And we don't want that happening at all, right? So for this buy entry, and I don't even think I may have already, yeah, I'm pretty sure I get this one too. This is all like last week stuff. Market carrying exactly back to where we were at last week on the chart. So it's like, cool, same as that principle. And that's a gem within itself. So this would be like my ideal stop loss. Tight stop loss, 500 pips. Besides that, everything look good. I like what I'm seeing. All right, so like I said, I made this video quick just to make sure I get this video uploaded to you guys. I'm not gonna put the vlog on this one. If we do go, kind of tired, and I don't know. I think I'm probably gonna chill. Like we're gonna see. But if we do go, I'll vlog that and upload that probably tomorrow on Tuesday. If we don't go, I'm about to go take a nap and then get ready for New Year's session tomorrow. But hopefully you guys enjoy this free breakdown. Like I said, maybe I could do shorts on YouTube as well to like show y'all the updates on there. But I'm probably gonna like this week for sure. I'm gonna do more vlogs and upload more vlogs for y'all to follow on too. And then of course, if you guys actually are interested in this in the chat, just make sure you head to the website, Wealthy Traders. Well, I'm gonna name drop it. It's down in the bio. Click on the bio, get to the website, enroll in the send chat, so that way you're not missing out on all of the trades I'm actually sending out across all of our indices, right? And I'm actually about to go on the chats. Well, y'all can see right here, this is one of the setups we took. 5045 was our sell entry. My people that held it, and I responded a couple of DMs. Imagine catching 1,000% on space, bro. That's insane. But let me stop rambling. Let me hurry up, upload this because I see the market start to push down now. And don't worry, if you're watching this video, you're like, damn, bro, you took too long to upload it. Like TP already smashed all the way down here. Cool. I might post a free, you know what I am. I'm gonna post a free buy setup on my Instagram, so make sure you're following it. And I'll make sure I drop that once it gets around this area. If not, cool, just be patient and wait for this buy setup up here at the top of the zone. And then of course, if you want, like I said, just join the chat. If you're like, dang, bro, I missed it. Well, you should have been in the chat anyway, then you would have missed it. That's a PP, personal problem. Until next time, peace out.